good, everyone? Say hey, TJ.
Hey.
What's your name? Say TJ. Let's say TJ. Let's say it. He wants to sit down. That's why he's saying, can he sit down? No, you can sit down. Let TJ sit down first. Come over, look. TJ, you watch a lot of YouTube. You watch your own YouTube channel? You watch your own channel? You watch your own channel? Mira, what you were saying before you got on camera? Didn't you say you want your own YouTube channel? You ready? See, he said he ready. So what you gonna record about? What you gonna do? What type of videos you gonna make? See, he said he ready. That's all he ready to eat. Now he see the food. And eat. Let's get everyone. So right now, just starting my vlog. What I eating today. I got TJ with me. Hey TJ, say hey.
Hey.
So we about to eat our food.
Hey.
I'm gonna show y'all guys what I'm eating. Say you ready to eat? You love mommy food? See, ready to eat. I got you. Listen, relax. So he ready to eat. I'm ready to eat. So when I get when Tina put the food together, I'm gonna show y'all guys what we eating. We'll be back. All right, so now Tina just made my plate, like she always does. We definitely appreciate it. Thank you. So I'm gonna show you. I got some Follow Your Heart eggs. I got some Beyond Meat. I got some Follow Your Heart eggs. I got some Beyond Meat sausages. Some croissants or crescents, and some potatoes. Home fries. You know, either or. You know, the kids eating as well. You know, the whole family vegan. Saya got some sausage, eggs. You love vegan eggs? You love vegan eggs? So she got her blueberries, her sausage, her home fries, her eggs. You know? Even though it's what I eat today, but you know, Asaya's. I put Asaya. She sit right here with me too as well. So I want to show you guys too that kids can be vegan as well. They're conditioned to eat meat, like I always say. You know, they only can eat what you buy, but you definitely teach them and train them, if you want to use that word, how to eat more consciously. You know, she don't know no other way, so yeah, she can't miss something she never had, and that's what I always say. And for us, if you take this or tackle this as like a habit, like I said, it'll be easy. See? Next will be lunch, and I'll be back. So right now, I'm about to have a salad for lunch. Right here. Tina made this for me. So we have mashed up chickpeas, cucumbers, butter lettuce, heirloom tomatoes. Yeah, she seasoned it with some Cajun sea salt as well, and there's some Violite cheese. And for the dressing, we have some ranch. Follow your heart. I haven't tried the dressing yet before. Tina been asking me to get it. She's been trying to find it for a minute, so I finally found it the other day. So I'm gonna give it a try for the first time. And I also have a gala apple, and I'm trying to eat more apples. Not too many oranges. I had a Citrus Sumo orange yesterday, and as I was eating, after I ate it, I'm looking for the seeds. You know, usually every orange I grew up on had seeds in it. Not that orange. So I try to eat most of my fruits. I try to eat they have seeds in it. I try to stay away from fruits that doesn't. So yeah, it's my lunch. You know, I always say it's easy to be vegan. People think it's hard. You know, it's all about patience and, you know, a little bit of determination too. Gotta have the will to, gotta have the want. Mind over matter. Like I always say, mind over matter. If your mind matters, then, you know, dare to be vegan. Why not?
We'll see you for lunch.
So now, I'm about to be done. If I have a snack, I'll be back. What's good, guys? Welcome back. So now, about to eat dinner. Today's Taco Tuesday, so I'm about to eat some tacos with the babe. So I'm gonna let y'all guys see. I got some blue tacos with some lentos for the meat, some violet cheese, some butter lettuce. Let y'all guys see it again. See it. It said Taco Tuesday. We got the lentils, got the violet cheese, the taco sauce, the butter lettuce. So I'm about to eat this. You know how tacos get if you don't eat them for a while. So I'm about to eat these tacos. After I eat these tacos, I probably had some dessert. I got this, it's TJ, but I got some Ben & Jerry's. I got some new ice cream from them, new flavor. I haven't tried it yet, so I might try that with y'all tonight. We'll see. So eat these tacos real quick. So I'm about to have my last thing for today. Like 10 o'clock at night. You know, the family sleep. I usually do a lot of my my business for any business thing, as far as like research, reading, you know, learning. I usually do it at night with the kids asleep. So right now I'm about to have some Ben & Jerry's milk and cookies made with sunflower butter. Haven't tried this yet. So if any of you guys tried this before, you know, leave a comment below. Let me know what y'all think about it. If you aren't subscribed to our channel, you know, do so, subscribe. But follow us on our Instagram, Peace Love Vegan 420. I'm gonna give y'all my opinion on how this tastes. Hopefully it tastes good. But yeah, this might be the last. This is gonna be the last thing. This is gonna be the last thing I eat for today. I appreciate everyone for watching this my day to day. Haven't did too many of these. I plan on doing more. You know, help people come up with like options what to eat. Again, you know, like I always say, dare to be vegan. Peace.